Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to archive and unarchive a post on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You can archive a post you've shared on Instagram to hide it from your profile and make it so that your followers and other peoples on Instagram can't see it. Tap open your Instagram application in order to launch it on, and once you do that, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on one of your posts you would like to archive. Once you do that, the post will open. Now, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner of the post, and from the expanded menu, select Archive. The post now has been archived. Once you do that, you can choose it to show it on your profile again. You'll need to unarchive the post. In order to do so, from your profile page, tap on the three menu bar at the upper right corner, and once you do that, tap on Archive at the top of the expanded menu. From the top, tap on the Stories Archive button and you'll be able to choose your Posts Archive or your Live Archives as well from the expanded menu at the bottom. Tap on Posts Archive and you can see the post that you've archived. This one's the post that I archived before. Now, to unarchive this, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and choose to Show on Profile at the bottom by simply tapping on it. In this way, you have unarchived the post that you recently archived on Instagram. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.